Here's a tip. When you're copying a project directory into the remote folder, we need the folder to exist in both the current year's directory and the remote folder. But then in the current year's directory, it will have a link that takes you over there. We don't want a missing job number because then someone might fill in with another job number. So here's the project we want to move over to the remote directory. And I'm simply going to right click and drag over to remote and say copy here. And there's the new one. Now on this old side, I can just delete all of the information that was in there. Delete. And then on the remote side, I can just right click, drag back here and say create shortcut. Now when I'm looking through the current year's directory, there's the project, there's the link, and it takes me over to the remote folder and everything is there. We do not want to copy the information and have the information existing in two different folders, because then someone might update information in one folder and another person might update information in the other folder, and then nobody knows what's the latest and greatest. So that's how we want to move a project over into the remote folder. Thanks so much.